Well, Google's winning right now. Google currently is selling out of the Pixel Fold 2 or the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. If you go to Google's website right now, the 512GB option on Google's website is currently out of stock. And if you want the 256GB version, well, you're not going to be able to get it on launch day. And for the other color variant, as you can see, it says out of stock, get notified. So they're running out of stock of the Pixel Fold 2 on their own website. Now, Amazon still sells it, and Amazon does sell it with a $350 gift card, which is really dope, to be honest. But overall wise, was not expecting this. Mainly because the Z Fold series doesn't sell out this quick. Well, it doesn't sell out usually at all on their website. You might say, well, that's because they have more units. They make more. That I think Samsung claimed they made 10 million units of the Z Fold series, the Z Fold 5 series. So maybe that's the case. And Google wasn't really expecting a crazy demand for this said device. I don't know, because it's like one of two things. Either everyone loves this device, which, to be honest, it does look very beautiful. The OnePlus Open 2, as we would call it here. The rebranded OnePlus Open 2. It's a beautiful device. It really is. But either that or they did not expect a demand. Which Microsoft had the same issue when they sold the Surface Zero 2, was they released it on their website and didn't realize the demand that they would be receiving, and it sold out quickly. Now, is it very possible that they do go ahead and, restock very quickly and get more people with the device? Absolutely. But we usually nowadays, especially, we don't see many times where items are sold out when it comes to phones. Other products, yes, but not phones. I feel like when it comes down to phones being sold out, usually that's kind of back in 2020 time period where the whole, mess happened and it was really hard to get some technology products, things was delayed, whatever. Nowadays, especially foldable cell phones, because of the price tag, I feel like companies kind of have a generalized idea of how many or how much, or how many, I didn't say how much, how many people are going to buy their product, right? They have a better understanding. Okay, this is probably the units we're expected to sell. This is how many we need to make. This is how many we need to have. Because at the end of the day, the last thing you want to do as a company here, and Google right now is in that boat, is the last thing you want to do is a customer comes to your page to buy your $1,800 phone and you don't have it for sale. Meaning you don't have units to sell and it's out of stock so that people can't buy it. Because every single moment that someone reaches your page and you don't have a product, that's a loss of sale. Potentially loss of sale, not 100%. Not everyone that looks at a page is going to buy something, but there's a chance they will. And if they do, that's a loss of sale. So you want to make sure you have, as they would say, your P's and Q's in a line here, because any chance you're losing money as a company. So it's, again, one of two things. The demand was way too much higher than Google thought, and everyone wants this phone, which with the OnePlus Open 2 from OnePlus, that is, not coming out to January or March of next year, some people might be, hey, listen, I want to get the OnePlus 2 Open early. So this is your chance to get the OnePlus 2 Open early. OnePlus Open 2, whatever. Yeah, no, on the real note, though, it's either that or it's literally just they were not expecting this amount of, units sold, and they don't have the inventory for it. Which, it's Google. This is not a small company. This is a humongous company. And I think with Microsoft's point of view, they really just did not expect it to be selling that well. And I think with Google, I just don't think there's no way they did not expect people to buy this phone. Because, again, like I said before, it's a really good looking phone, really good phone. people were excited about it. So I would assume that the reason why is literally just the fact that the demand was too high for the demand was a lot higher than they expected. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I can only assume, because I can't, realistically speaking, see Google just underestimating greatly how many products they will sell of this device. I just couldn't see it, because there's so much research that goes into that, especially with other foldable, flippable cell phones, that I just feel like they have a better generalized idea than that. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.